And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a Green Lantern inspired logo design. What we need are the ellipse tool and the rectangle tool. Let us first create a circle. I hold Ctrl and I drag that and go to a 45-degree angle. Then right click, duplicate, and I hold Ctrl and Shift to size it down, but first I'll make it black. Then I select it all, I go to Path and use Difference. Now maybe that wasn't thick enough, so I press Ctrl Z, size it down a little bit more while holding Ctrl and Shift, and then I select it again and I use Path Difference once more. Now it's better. Now let us use the rectangle. Let me zoom in a little bit. I've got the snapping enabled, so I've got these handle indicators and they help me finding the right thickness. I'll make that green and you can see it has now the same thickness as the circle has. I want to make it snap to the circle, so you have to have snapping enabled, and this function for snap midpoints needs to be activated as well. And right click duplicate, and I can snap the duplicate at the bottom. Now I can turn off this snapping function. Now I select the top one and I use the arrow keys 10 times to go downwards to have a slight overlap. I repeat the bottom one and use 10 times the upwards key. Then I select it all, go to Object and group it. So that's the first part of this logo design. Now I use the ellipse tool again and I hold Ctrl once more to create a circle. I'll make it black and I put it to the background. Now select it all, Object, Align and Distribute. Last selected is active. Then I use vertical and horizontal line so that everything now is in the center, and I size this black circle down holding Ctrl and Shift. We need a rectangle. I'll hold Ctrl when I drag that, so the sides have the same size, and I put it to the background once more and I make that green. Once more, select it all, use the Align and Distribute menu. A little bit of downsizing, holding Ctrl and Shift, and now I only have to make the black one white. Once again I can group that under Object, and now I can export it under File. And this is how you can create such a Green Lantern inspired logo design in Inkscape. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.